folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools, tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Hello, folks. I'm glad you've joined us today. But we are looking at this tool set. I got this for the car again. That's mainly what this was got for. I could use it if I can use it for other stuff, repairs and stuff. It's great, but part of this channel was mostly, or not part of this channel. There's a lot of other videos on this channel besides this repair series. But this little repair series was just if I wanted to repair something, I'll make a little video on it, which I thought was kind of cool. I still think it's cool. But right now, what I'm interested in is showing you guys some tools I use. I don't know how much I will show, but I decided it was pretty cool to show some of these and go from there, I guess. But I always feel like people need tool, like little kits, whatever, to at least be able to do basic repairs. I'm not talking about serious. You're not building cars. If you're building cars, you already would have tools. You already know what you're doing for the most part. This is just if you're just trying to do some stuff like help change your tire to a spare tire, do some stuff like that, and that's what this is for. But we're going to open it up. And again, I got it because I had a tire, but I had a friend at the time who helped me with his tool to replace it, and since then I've got this tool. It seems to be a common thing for me. I have the tool, I haven't had a tire replaced since. Anyway, so anyway, here you go. They even include some gloves, which I don't. Or wait, no, I put the gloves in. Okay, yeah, I may put some gloves in or gloves in it. Anyway, there's gloves in here. I don't even, do I use these gloves very much? I know they were not very expensive gloves, but they didn't have to be. They just need to, oh, I could fit them. Never mind. So yeah, they would work. But yeah, that's another thing. Get yourself some gloves. I think the reason why I put these gloves in here, if I happen to lose them or something, they actually weren't expensive. I think I bought them as a set. But, so the big thing is not the gloves. The big thing, I put them in here for tire. The big thing is this drill. Now this drill, it has a battery. Actually does pretty good, but I haven't had to use it. I've only tested it once or have made sure it works. This is an impact driver. I think that's what I call it, impact driver. Impact, yeah, it's an impact wrench or impact driver. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. I want to make sure I'm not losing my mind because I'm not always good with names on stuff. But this one I got good reviews on, so I bought it. And yeah, it's a powerful little tool. But I got it so I could replace the tire on my car, and you can see it's different than just going to the store. If you were to go to the store, they sell kits. Walmart will sell a kit that it will sell like a drill, like I have one, but it's from Walmart, but it doesn't have this on it. But they'll sell you like a drill, your normal drill, like you could screw stuff in to, maybe you're mounting a TV to your wall and you use a drill for that and stuff. But this is a different type of drill. This is an impact drill, and I use it for. I'm going to be using it for if I have to change a tire that the bolt is a little too tight on that I can't do by hand. I do have a hand one, but to take my tire off, it comes in my car. I could buy another one if I needed to, stuff like that. But this one is just in case I can't get the tire off by hand, and I am able to take it off with this drill. So I like this. It's blue, but it's not just that. It's the tool. I did pick the blue one. I think there were a few other colors, but yeah, and you can tell that it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put that back. So, and it has a light on it. It has a light, so when you're doing your work, a lot of these tools will have lights on them. Okay, and you got your, I wanted to put away too quickly, but you got you back out and your put in. So, yeah. And your battery. And the power thing is already plugged into the wall, so I'm not going to be showing that, but that's to charge the battery. So, it will come with that. And that one I leave plugged into the wall. Okay. Over here you have your instructions on how to use it. Your manual. I don't know if we want to go through. I don't know if I really want to go through all this. And most of it just, yeah, here you go. User manual. Most of it just is stuff that comes with tools. Just tells you warnings and like the tool and parts of the tool and whatever else they tell you. I don't always read manuals. Here's some stuff that comes with it. Some tools to tighten. Or not to tighten. Anyway, this stuff I don't know what it does, but it works with. It came with it. This is what I was after. Is stuff like this to help replace your tire. What's this one? I have to look at these. I barely looked at these. Yeah, it goes in the end. I obviously it goes to something. Some of them will have extension tools, like you need to extend it. You buy a tool, and it will extend it so it gets into better places. But yeah, you go one end. This is the end for the nut to replace the tire. I know one of them fits my car. But yeah, you have the different sizes and stuff. I have like 4 different sizes for the car. That one and this one. Yeah. So, I have 4 different ones. But that's what it is, and some gloves. I just keep the pile of gloves in here. Because maybe, let's say my woman was helping me for some reason. At the time, she could keep her hands protected. I think it's cool that everybody, if they can, should have ways to try to at least do basic repair. You don't need to be building a house or anything, or even building a car. But if you have the knowledge and you're able, it's good to see if you can do it yourself. At least as an emergency. And I'm big on that type of stuff. Because it's common, it's a part of life. You know, when you live, you want some tools that will be able to help you, like you have a computer. You don't need to be crazy. You just have a computer because it helps you with work, fun. You know, before I grew up, where computers were not as they were getting in, but they weren't as common as they are now. So, they were just, like you had XP. Eventually you had XP, and I remember computers older than XP. But, so it's kind of nice to have this stuff. So, yeah. Just for your ability to fix or to replace a tire. I'm glad I feel comfortable when I have this stuff, and I think that's more important. Me and my woman have decided, or we've done it generally that way in some ways, but we're doing it more now, is we're trying to make sure that we have what we need to be able to fix certain things, especially with the way things are going, people losing jobs, stuff like that. We like to be a little prepared and be able to just, even if we have to just stay home, which we do, we're able to fix, we're able to repair what we have. Keep what we have, keep it going as long as possible, repair it. Actually, we don't have to worry, our car's not old. It's older, but not old. It'll last us quite a few years if we take good care of it. It'll last us a long time. Very long time. So, it may last most of my lifetime. Okay? Maybe all my lifetime. So, here it is. And anyway, I want to leave with closing thoughts. And I hope this helps you guys. We got this for Otto, for the car. So, yeah. I hope this helps you guys. If you can, maybe buy a set that has different, because they have different power drills and stuff. You can buy kits sometimes where you'll have one that's an impact driver and then you'll have one that's a drill, and they'll use the same battery. And if that can be a good thing. I've always thought about that one time, where you get like 2 batteries, and that could be a good thing, not. But anyway, this is what we have. Sometimes if you have to piece things together, you buy what you can when you can, and then you can. But if you can buy it all together and and get what you can, what you're able to afford, and hopefully buy something that's decent that can help you even in a small task that you're not doing, constantly. This stuff like this is worth it. Anyway, I'll leave with closing thought. See you guys on the next program. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.